ladies and gentlemen, let us first try to observe the market so that we can actually benchmark if our product has a potential to enter into the international arena. So first of all, I want to throw you a question. The first question is that for us to understand the market, I want you to think, decipher, and answer this question. What comes into your mind when we talk about particular brands in the market that is already existing and dominating the market? So like for example, what comes into your mind when we talk about toothpaste? So I know for sure you will agree with me that instantaneously, whenever you are asked about a brand of a toothpaste, the first thing that comes into your mind would no other than the brand of Colgate. That's always good. That's the first thing na talagang unang papasok sa isip natin, no? It's about Colgate. Why? Because Colgate, it's already imprinted in our mind that when we ask about toothpaste, instantaneously the brand that is dominating inside our mind is no other than Colgate. Now, when you are asked about the second and third brand for a particular toothpaste, I know for sure you will agree with me na ang maiisip nyo talaga is no other than ito pong brand ng Close Up and Happy. Alright? Pansinin nyo po ito. Itong first three brands po na ito, these are the instantaneous brand specifically imprinted in your mind in order, no? Naka-in order po siya. First, Colgate, second, Close Up, third, Happy. Apparently, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to notice it na whenever we are asked about a particular brand on the fourth player or the fourth brand in the market na present, nagkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na cognitive dissonance, or it will take us about a little couple of seconds, maybe about 2, 3, or 4 seconds na nagkakaroon tayo ng delay when you are asked about the fourth brand. Okay, so for you to appreciate more what I am talking about, when you are asked about a particular brand of a diaper, the first thing or the first brand that comes instantaneously in your mind would no other than Pampers. Tama po ba? The second and third, I know you will agree with me that is going to be Huggies and EQ. My question is that, ano kaya yung pang-apat na brand na naiisip nyo? What do you think is the fourth brand that comes into your mind when we talk about diaper? Minsan po, nahihirapan tayong mag-isip patungkol po sa pang-apat na brand. Why? Why am I sharing this to you guys? Bakit ko ito pinapakita sa inyo? It's because in marketing, as a marketing guy working before in a multinational na companies, we believe that the mind of a consumer can only accommodate 3 brands in a particular category. Okay, yung utak po ng tao ay kaya lamang pong mag-memorize ng 3 brands. Because yung pang-apat na brand, nagiging least priority na natin siya. Siya na yung nagiging least option. And technically, yung pang-apat na brand ay hindi na gaano natin siyang pinapansin because the mind of a consumer only focus on the first three brands that dominates in the market. Another example, when you are asked about a particular product or a particular brand of a cola, what do you think comes into your mind first? Sa tingin nyo po, ano po yung una?
Sir Ryan, excuse Sir Ryan.
Yes, yes.
We have visitor from Nigeria, Brother Ariston.
Ay, welcome Sir Ariston, welcome. I will try to explain this one as much as possible in English, but of course,
thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, as aligned with the company, we will be having also a presentation full English. But at this point in time, for this evening, I will try to do my best not to explain this one in English because we have a visitor coming from Nigeria. Am I right, Sir Ariston, from Nigeria? Okay. Ayan. So again, no, going back, as I've said, when you are asked about a particular brand of a cola, the first thing that comes into your mind would no other be this one, no, Coca-Cola. The first brand instantaneously comes into your mind. And I know for sure that the second and third brand that comes instantaneously in your mind would no other be the brand of a Pepsi and RC Cola. Ladies and gentlemen, there was this fourth brand in the market in the name of Virgin Cola, entered in the market, but apparently right now I can no longer see where Virgin Cola is. Why am I saying this one? And what's the connection of telling you about Virgin Cola is that in marketing, we always believe that the fourth place is actually a no place. If there is a particular company that offers you an opportunity of a particular product, I want you to assess in your heart, I want you to assess in your mind, think logically, discern properly if that company has a product that is dominating in the market. If that particular company is the first player, the second, or the third player. If companies are offering you a product that is already that is already in the market with different competitors, you have to think, maybe you have to think a little bit of cautious. Why? Because maybe it's going to be difficult for you um, to strive in a market that is already full of competition. All right, that's exactly my point. It's very good to do business in a particular category if you are the only one dominating that particular category of that particular product. Okay, like for example, allow me to explain this to you further. When you are asked about a particular product or a particular brand, no, for instance, Silver Swan. In the Philippines, Silver Swan is very, very famous. I know for sure you will agree with me that when you are asked about the Silver Swan, the first thing that comes into your mind would no other than it's a soy sauce. Why do you think Silver Swan is already attributed to soy sauce? Why do you think that your mind instantaneously um, gives you a specific answer that when we talk about Silver Swan, it's a soy sauce? Why is it that you are not categorically attributing Silver Swan to a vinegar? What do you think is the reason why Silver Swan is attributed only to soy sauce and not on vinegar? Even though Silver Swan is actually a vinegar, but we tend to always associate that one as a soy sauce because it's already, that particular category is already set in your mind that Silver Swan is equals to soy sauce, not equals to vinegar. Similarly, when you are asked about Dato Puti, the first thing that comes into your mind would no other be, it's going to be a brand of a vinegar. Dato Puti is associated with vinegar. Our mind instantaneously associates it as a vinegar, not soy sauce. All right? So this is what we call as the branding. Now, why am I sharing this to you guys? It's because what we want, what our company's direction in terms of our product branding is that we want to become the category leader. It's very, very important that your product has the potential to become a category leader because eventually, your product will dominate the market and becomes the generic name. What do I mean by generic name? Okay, like for instance, let us consider the best examples coming from the industry in MLM. Okay, so that we cannot we will not deviate with the concept of MLM. Let's try to examine what is happening in the industry in MLM, particularly in the category leadership. There was one time, some point in time, maybe that's I think year 2009. There was this network marketing company who first came out a product in the market who launched the first non-acidic vitamin C. When this company came out in the market bearing the concept of the first non-acidic vitamin C, most of the people who joined, who became pillars of that company were actually became profitable, very profitable when they ventured into this MLM company, and that's no other than Fernsey. Okay, Fernsey was the first company who introduced non-acidic vitamin C in the market. Apparently, after 5 years time of existing in the market, there was this another one company who challenged the category of Fern-C. In fact, this company introduced the first non-acidic vitamin in real veggie capsule. Although they have the similar content of non-acidic vitamin C, which is sodium ascorbate, the only difference is that in terms of their capsule. Now you have to acknowledge the fact, ladies and gentlemen, that whenever a particular product, if you're going to alter one attribute of that particular product and enhance it and innovate it, you can actually create a new form of category. That is what happened with this company bearing the first non-acidic vitamin C in real veggie capsule. So when this came out in the market, many of the distributors were actually became very, very profitable. And this company is no other than Vital-C. Okay? From the past, even up to the present, Fern-C and Vital-C are still dominating in the mainstream pharmaceuticals. They are still in the market even up to the present. Okay, another example, ladies and gentlemen, is that there was this also another company. Okay, another company came up with this first concept, the first fruit and vegetable health drink in a sachet format. Okay, so I think this is already a 15-year-old company, and this company, when they introduced this first category product in the market, which is actually a fruit and vegetable health drink in a sachet format, again, many of their distributors became very, very wealthy. Even up to now, this company still exists, and many of the distributors are still earning very, very profitable. This company is no other than First Vita Plus. Okay? There are different MLM companies who actually attempted to copy and replicate First Vita Plus in terms of their product, in terms of their format, but apparently they were not able to sustain and succeed in the market because specifically First Vita Plus was the one to first introduce this kind of product. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that it's going to be your competitive advantage. It's going to be your competitive edge if you're going to be the first company to introduce a first category of a product, and you will be the one to create the demand, and you will be the first one to market it massively. Because along the way, time will come, you will always be the first priority in the market. Right? So that's basically my point. Now, I am driving you right now to the concept that the product that I'm going to share to you this evening is a product that is similar to these categories, which has actually the potential to become a category leader because we are the first one to introduce this kind of product, this category, not only in the Philippines, but of course, I think maybe even in the international market, we're going to be the first one to introduce this kind of category. All right? So this is the product, no, the new product category, first in the Philippines. This product is actually all about a supplement that has the capacity to combat stress and prevent stress-induced illnesses. Ladies and gentlemen, all throughout my product presentation, I'm going to focus more on stress because the campaign of the company, the positioning of our product is more on of stress reduction. What we want is to reduce stress because we personally believe that majority of the products in the market right now are talking more on of food supplements that has something to do with immune system booster. Correct me if I'm wrong, none so far have I heard of any MLM company standing out, shouting about combating stress. All right, so I don't have any idea if there are companies bearing with them this kind of campaign, no, about combating stress. But categorically speaking, Hisopus Global is actually pioneering this one because we saw that the real problem right now of illnesses is not just actually because of poor lifestyle or because of low immunity, but particularly the reason why we have low immunity is because of our chronic experiences of stress. So we believe that by combating stress, we could also simultaneously and instantaneously boost our immunity. There is this reference. You can screenshot this reference and counter check for you to validate what I am talking about. There was this one study stating that chronic psychological stress can actually contributory to various illnesses. Specifically, number one, this is what we call as cardiovascular disease. As you can notice, statistics and numbers will tell you in the Philippines right now that the number one cause of deaths in the Philippines related to related to diseases is no other than cardiovascular. There are people who are actually in there are these people who are actually in good diet. Their lifestyle are actually in tune, but apparently got hit by this what we call as cardiovascular diseases, like for instance the stroke, high blood pressure, specifically not because of their diet, but because of their experiences to chronic stress. Chronic stress, ladies and gentlemen, has something to do with the increase of the level of cortisol. Now, what our company wants, specifically with our product, is that we want to educate everyone that our main goal is to regulate the cortisol level of every person undergoing chronic stress. When we talk about chronic stress, chronic means prolonged experience. That is what do we mean by chronic? Chronic means prolonged experience. So chronic stress is prolonged experience of stress, and because of that, there is an ongoing increased level of cortisol. Cortisol is actually a hormone known as a stress hormone. All right? We believe that based on studies, cortisol is actually, the prolonged high level of cortisol is one of the major contributors of different illnesses right now. So there is also this one study pioneered by Dr. Sheldon Cohen. This is actually a researcher commissioned by Johnson & Johnson to conduct a study about stress. And it has been found out that based on the study, so this is the publication, you can screenshot this one. It has been found out that exposures to chronic stress are considered the most toxic, and it is one of the major contributing factor to different diseases, including number one, cardiovascular disease, and high level of cholesterol, cortisol, rather, high level of cortisol prolonged, all right, has the capacity to suppress your immunity. So it has a suppressant effect, no, in terms of your immune system. That's why it's very, very important for us, while you are taking your food supplements like the vitamin C, or maybe you are taking your vitamin D, might as well we do our effort to parallel it with supplements that has the capacity to lower down your cortisol level to enhance or to become an adjuvant of your immune system boosters. When we say adjuvant, it means it's a helper, no, to optimize the effect of that particular immune system booster supplement. All right. There's also this one study, ladies and gentlemen. It's a meta-analytic study. It is actually a different studies that was actually collated or collected for the past 30 years, finding out the common denominator. This study has something to do with stress, and it has been found out that for the past 30 years, the common denominator of stress studies, they found out that chronic stress has the capacity to suppress your cellular immunity. All right? And chronic stress are linked to, again and again, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. So there is really a problem. So we have to acknowledge, we have to be educated about chronic stress and cortisol, because most of us are less educated about cortisol because we tend to focus more on immune system. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, do not get me wrong, because I myself, I believe that we really have to maintain the integrity of our immune system. Human beings have immunity. But of course, you have to also understand the fact that human beings, apart from the immune cells and immunity, we also have hormones that we need to also take into consideration. We have to check if our hormones are producing the right amount. Like for instance, the cortisol. Cortisol is actually a good hormone, but apparently exposing our body to chronic high cortisol level is actually very, very dangerous because it could lead to other diseases. Okay? So this one, no? This is actually what I'm talking about, the cortisol. Don't you know that prolonged level of cortisol can lead to high blood pressure because of the clogging of calcium in your artery? That's the mechanism of cortisol. It may possibly create clogs in your artery because of calcium hardening or what we call as calcification. And of course, cortisol, uh, exposure to high level of cortisol chronically can actually damage your pancreas, the alpha cells and the beta cells, which are responsible in the production of insulin and glucose. High level of cortisol will actually impair your what we call as insulin receptor activity, as well as high level of cortisol will induce your glucagon to release high volume or amount of glucose. So that's the sad thing, no? And in fact, high level of cortisol is also contributory to develop this what we call as anxiety and depression. So I hope you are getting me, you are following me, that my point of discussion is that cortisol, we have to admit the fact that cortisol is really, really one of the reasons. Okay? Again, high level chronic experience of high level of cortisol is contributory to our different illnesses. Okay? So, right now, I am showing you a data. This data actually proves that we really are experiencing a undeniable problem in the Philippines right now, because the Philippines is the number one in terms of having a very, very stressful work environment. Numbers will not tell a lie. It's actually a study conducted by Gallup survey, and it proves that the Philippines right now is number one in terms of stress. And the major contributor of stress is no other than our jobs and our work. Okay, this is actually part in our workplace. No, our work environment induces high level or exposure of stress. Okay? So we have to admit that there is really a problem and we really need to address this problem. We may not be able to control, we may not be able to alter the environment of your workplace, but at least with our product, we may be able to regulate the exposure or the level of cortisol in your body or the stress hormones in your body. So our product is a multi-target dietary supplement. When we talk about multi-target dietary supplement, different specific target area in our body will be addressed. Okay, our product is a brain activator, heart energizer, and gut revitalizer. Okay, why? Okay, first, as a brain activator, ladies and gentlemen, our product has the capacity to reduce our cortisol level or our stress hormone. Not to the point of zeroing it down, but basically it's more of regulatory. Okay, so it regulates our cortisol just to the point of right level. And simultaneously, alongside of regulating our cortisol, we have to understand the fact that when your cortisol is regulated, there is this what we call as the regulation also of your serotonin, which will eventually give you a good experience of good mood and positive emotion. No? That's basically because of the serotonin. And alongside, our product also has a vasodilation effect, meaning to say it will relaxes our artery and it actually prevents vascular calcification due to calcium, and it will actually increase blood flow for effective and efficient flow of the blood because of the dilation or the relaxation of the arteries. And of course, our product contains ingredient that can actually improve our digestion and absorption process of our intestine. So these three, why do we need to cater these three targets? Because we believe that the brain, the heart, and the gut are actually organs that are interconnected because of a one nerve. Ito po siya, this is this one, the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve connects these three, and these three are actually communicating with each other. So it's very, very important that our product has to address the these three organs. Okay? So I want to emphasize, ladies and gentlemen, that our product is actually using synergistic compounds. All right? When we talk about synergistic because personally I believe that there is no such thing as a silver bullet approach in wellness. We cannot actually claim that a particular ingredient, one ingredient alone will suffice to solve all the problems of your body. There is no such thing as that. I always believe that if you want to experience optimum health, you have to eat varieties of fruits and vegetables with different colors. Okay, so it has to be mixed varieties. We cannot claim that one alone can suffice to help you solve all the problems of the health problems or health issues in your body. So there is no such thing as that. And of course, I want also to emphasize, ladies and gentlemen, that we are not using powdered herbs, but instead, our company utilizes ingredients specifically came from extracts. This is what we call as bioactive compounds. We are using the bioactive extracts, not the powdered form. All right, like for example, when you talk about turmeric has a curcumin. That's the bioactive compound of the turmeric. Now, instead of using the powdered turmeric, might as well you use the bioactive compound. This is the curcumin. Okay, so I hope you're getting my point, no? That what we are using is the active compound, not the powdered form. So that's why our company partnered with these two other companies, are particularly these are laboratories. The first one is Mibil Biochemistry in Switzerland, and the other one is Japan Bioscience Laboratory, because these laboratories has the capacity to extract and isolate bioactive compounds from different extracts. So we are getting our compounds coming from them, then brought it here in the Philippines and have it toll manufactured in our facility in Laguna to be incorporated as one product. That's why we have our capsule. This one, this is our product. This is what we call as the Sika Plus Tri-Health Formula, no? The first brain, heart, and gut supplement in DR. When we say DR, it means delayed release capsule. All right? So this is the packaging and our capsule, the DR capsule. So the first ingredient, ladies and gentlemen, is this what we call as the Sarapepnu or the Timot pepper. It has been found out that Mibil Biochemistry, with their studies and human clinical trials, they found out that the Timot pepper, which is a particular pepper that grows only in the Himalayan regions, contains hydroxy-alpha-santiol or HAS, hydroxy-alpha-santiol. This is actually a nootropic. When we say nootropic, some of you, maybe this is your first time to hear this word nootropic. Actually, nootropic means brain activator and mood enhancer. All right? So, hydroxy-alpha-santiol is actually a brain activator and mood enhancer. So, I'm showing you here a clinical study conducted by a third party commissioned by Mibil Biochemistry. All right? So this study was conducted to measure the speed of attention and the mental fatigue that can be addressed because of this particular ingredient known as hydroxy-alpha-santiol. It has been found out that in the this placebo group is actually part of the respondents who are being studied using this what we call as the sunflower oil. Okay, they were given this particular oil, and their speed of attention was measured using computerized mental performance assessment system and quantitative near infrared spectroscopy or QNIRS. And it has been found out that with this human clinical study, those people under Sarapep came to be has or experienced this what we call a speed of attention. So in the placebo group, they were able to spend about maybe 10 or 11 or 12 milliseconds before they answered the particular series of questions. But those in the controlled group, in the Sarapep group, it has been found out that in less than a second or less than a millisecond, they were able to answer all those set of questions. This means that this statistical data proves to be that the Sarapep-New contributes to the speed of attention of the respondents. All right? And another thing is that this second image or this second clinical result highlights the impact of hydroxy-alpha-santiol in terms of reducing the mental fatigue. So as you can see in the placebo group was actually resulted to a high level of mental fatigue as compared to those in the controlled group or those who are administered with the Sarapep. So this is the control group who experienced actually almost zero in terms of mental fatigue. So this human clinical studies proves to be statistically correct, and evidently speaking, this is actually telling us that this study are significant in terms of its effect using hydroxy-alpha-santiol. Should you have doubts on this data, you can actually ask from the people who invited you. We can actually give you the link. We can actually give you the full clinical trial if you want to read all the clinical data about hydroxy-alpha-santiol. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, the second ingredient also that we use is no other than coenzyme Q10. All right? What is this? Coenzyme Q10 is actually it's being used as an energy-giving ingredient for our heart and brain. You have to understand the fact, ladies and gentlemen, that our heart pumps 24/7. And in the pumping process, you have to be aware that every pump requires an energy. And our body has a currency, an energy currency known as adenosine triphosphate or ATP. Okay, adenosine triphosphate. And ladies and gentlemen, the ATP is actually being produced in our cell, specifically in the mitochondria. And the production and the delivery of ATP as an energy to our cell and our muscles and all throughout our body organs, the transfer mechanism, the production mechanism, and the logistical process of transferring that energy to the organ requires what we call as the CoQ10. All right? Apparently, as we age, our CoQ10 drops. The production of our CoQ10 drops. That's why we have to outsource CoQ10 externally. That's why our product included this ingredient to somehow provide us with the necessary energy that our organs need, specifically our brain and our heart. All right? And at the same thing, ladies and gentlemen, we also included magnesium as part of our ingredient because magnesium is the master mineral. In fact, it was actually held as the calming mineral because of its ability to activate this what we call as the gamma aminobutyric acid. Okay, this actually gives us the feeling of calmness and relaxation. And specifically, if you're going to ask me, because I know some of you are already aware that there are lots of different magnesium in the market. There is this what we call as magnesium sulfate. We also have magnesium glycinate. magnesium chloride, magnesium stearate, but specifically in our product, we use this what we call as magnesium taurate. From the word taurine, taurine is actually good for the brain because it promotes this what we call as the neurogenesis. It also helps us activate our brain. That's why if you can notice, most of the energy drinks like the Red Bull, the Lipovitan, the Cobra energy drink, the Sting, all of those product contains taurine because it's actually good for the brain. What's the sad thing of those products is that it contains high level of caffeine. All right. So in our case, in our product, we only use the magnesium taurate, but we never added caffeine. All right. So I hope you are getting my point. All right. So now another thing is that ladies and gentlemen, our product also utilize this particular ingredient coming from the Japan Bioscience Laboratory, which is actually a biozyme or a postbiotic enzyme. Okay, so what is this postbiotic enzyme? When we talk about postbiotic, okay, this is not pro and prebiotics, all right? Postbiotic is actually a metabolite. It's actually a byproduct of the probiotics. So when we talk about byproducts, our biozyme was specifically created or extracted using 40 different types of herbs and vegetables, which were actually fermented by a probiotic or a bacteria known as Bacillus bacteria, which is the original strain coming from Japan. And these prebiotic were actually fermented for 6 months, and after which an enzyme was produced, a metabolite was produced, a byproduct was produced, and that byproduct was extracted, and that byproduct is called as postbiotic. All right? So I hope you're getting me so far. When we talk about postbiotic, the good thing about postbiotic is that postbiotic is it's a bioavailable, it's 100% bioavailable. When I say bioavailable, it means our stomach, our intestine can instantaneously absorb it because it is a kind or a form where it is already bioavailable because of the fermentation process. It will no longer need this what we call as metabolic process because it is already done through the bacteria fermentation. The good thing about postbiotic, ladies and gentlemen, based on the assay result or the assay test of JBSL, it came out that our postbiotic contains lots of amino acids. So I will no longer explain why one by one this amino acid, but what's the point is that amino acid is very, very important for our body because our cells every day experience oxidative stress and damages, and potentially we experience this what we call as DNA damage. And the good thing is that in the process of DNA repair, our cell requires materials to be used as a repair ingredient or a repair material, and that is no other than this what we call as amino acids, right? And another thing is that our product or our postbiotic enzyme contains lots of vitamins, specifically the B vitamins. So B vitamins, as we all know, is very, very good for our nerve functions. Okay, so in our case, I myself, I am using B complex. I am sourcing it out externally over the counter, but the good thing is that with our product, we can already experience replenishing B vitamins in our body because of the presence of our biozyme that is packed with B vitamins, right? And another thing, ladies and gentlemen, our postbiotic contains full spectrum of minerals. The good thing is that why do we need to replenish minerals in our body? Specifically because most of the people right now, not only Filipinos, but I think most of the people in the world right now are experiencing this what we call as mineral deficiency for two reasons. Number one, the minerals that we are getting from our fruits and vegetables are no longer abundant because of massive agricultural practices that depletes our soil of the mineral content. All right, that's the first reason. The second reason why I am concluding that we are experiencing mineral deficiency is simply because most of the people are actually coffee drinkers. Is there a problem with coffee drinking? Actually, there's none, but the only sad thing is that um, coffee contains 350 milligrams of caffeine. And every cup of coffee will actually cause your kidney to throw out 3 cups of water. That's the sad thing, no? Because coffee is very, very diuretic, and in the urination process, there are lots of minerals that will be leached out, no, out from your body. So that's why we have to replenish minerals. It's okay to drink coffee for as long as you replenish it with plenty of water with minerals. So the good thing is that we can outsource our minerals from our product because Postbiotic provides lots of minerals or full spectrum of minerals. Okay? And alongside, ladies and gentlemen, our product also contains this what we call as the apple stem cell. You have to understand that apple stem cell is also manufactured or produced by no other than Mebil Biochemistry, which is the source of our timut pepper. So knowing the fact that they manufacture this one, so might as well we also decided to include apple stem cell as part of our proprietary ingredient. And another thing, ladies and gentlemen, we also included vitamin C in our product because, of course, we all know that human beings cannot produce our own vitamin C because we lack this enzyme known as gulonolactone oxidase. That's why we really need to outsource vitamin C externally, maybe coming from the food we eat or over-the-counter vitamin C supplements. So in this case, our product has already a vitamin C. And we also included a small proprietary blend of acai berry and blackberry to complement our formulation. So that's it, no? That's our product. That's basically our product. And our product is designed to feed our brains because we have actually 3 brains. Not just one, but we have 3 brains. Our brains, these are actually our brains, the cephalic brain, the enteric brain, and the cardiac brain. That's why our product is called CICA because of the C, cephalic, E, enteric, and K, cardiac brain. That's why CICA plus, right? So we believe that these 3 brains are interconnected with each other. That's why we really need to feed them simultaneously. So with our product, we can actually provide them with the necessary nutrients they need. So that's why we came up with this supplement, the CICA Plus Tri-Health Formula, and it's actually being capsulized using a technology known as DR capsule or delayed release capsule. So our DR caps was specifically engineered to protect what stomach acid can steal. So we have to protect the ingredient of our product. We don't want our product to be exposed. We don't want our capsule to be exposed in the stomach because the stomach contains hydrochloric acid, which can actually damage or cause acid degradation to our ingredients. What we want instead is to deliver our capsule into the small intestine. And with the movement of small intestine, known as the peristalsis, the capsule will be grounded, moistened, and it will actually eventually expose its content and thereby getting absorbed by our small intestine. So DR caps is actually an acid-resistant capsule. It is not made of vegetable. It is actually made from a specific pulp of a tree. And this has been actually manufactured by no other than Lonza, Switzerland. Okay, Lonza Switzerland is the owner of the famous L-carnitine in the world known as Carnipure. Most of the networking companies in the Philippines right now that introduces L-carnitine as a slimming ingredient are actually using Carnipure, manufactured by Lonza, happens to be the manufacturer of our capsule. Right? So guys, who will be our target market? Okay, that's very, very important question for us to answer. Our target market or our niche market are those people in the corporate. These people are actually stressful, even the entrepreneurs, the teachers, engineers, as well as doctors, nurses. Basically, professional people who are experiencing chronic stress because of their work. Even those people who are obese are actually experiencing chronic stress, and the very reason why they are obese because of the high level of cortisol that deactivates their society. When we talk about society, it's actually the feeling of um, being full. No, it's more on of a sensation of being full when you eat. So it prevents you from getting more hunger. But apparently, this particular hormone in their body was already deactivated because of the high level of cortisol. So ladies and gentlemen, these people, this niche market are actually the ones undeniably experiencing chronic stress. But I believe seldom that people are getting in touch with them, offering with products that can actually regulate cortisol. Most probably, what they experience are products that is actually more on of immunity booster, not cortisol regulator. So, alongside with their food supplements to boost their immunity, let us help them, let us touch them, let us connect with them, and promote and educate them about our product. Okay, so I guess that's it. No, I hope you are getting all my points about the product. Maybe you have different questions. As much as I want to answer those questions, I just want you to ask those people who invited you to ask those questions because they are already learned people about this product because we already informed them of the in-depth knowledge about the product. So who can take this product? 12 years old and above can take actually this product. Who are being regulated to use this one? Those people experiencing hepatic condition must first consult their physician before they take this product because this contains magnesium. And hepatic people are actually being regulated with their magnesium intake. And as well as those people or the women who are actually pregnant must of course not refrain from taking any supplements, particularly this product. Although it is not harmful, but as much as possible, we don't want to interfere with the fetal formation of the baby inside the womb. So that's why I encourage the pregnant women to first consult their physicians before they take this product. So I'm now going to directly explain to you about the marketing plan because I know for sure much of you are always excited when we talk about the marketing plan. So this is the money-making aspect. So should you want to become a member of our business, you can actually purchase different product packages that we have. Okay, we have 4 different packages. The first one is the startup package amounting to 6,000 pesos. Then you can actually get a product worth 9,000. Then we also have a 12,000 pesos worth rookie, which you will receive a product worth 18,000. And we have this elite package worth 30,000. Then you will have a product worth 45,000. And ultimately, the VIP package worth 60,000. Then you will get a product worth of 90,000. So with the products alone, it is tantamount of saying that our packages are actually value for money because you are getting more than the amount of what you paid for. Okay? So in terms of the ways to earn, we have 8 ways to earn. We have this what we call as the retail profit, direct referral, sales match bonus, power up bonus, uni level. We also have this what we call as Pro Max sales match. Okay, by the way, guys, you might wonder the third ways to earn is sales match, and the sixth is also a sales match because our company has actually introduced a new concept in the market known as the double binary program. So I'm going to explain to you what's the double binary. Okay, another ways to earn is this, what we call is the Pro Max pool share, and the last one is the global share. So when we talk about retail profit, okay, you can actually earn as much as 30% no retail profit. Every box of our product, SRP is 4,500. It contains 30 capsules. When you become a member, you will have a discount or a discounted price of a 3,150 pesos. So basically, that's a 30% retail profit should you want to sell the product. Okay? Second ways to earn is that's what we call as the direct referral bonus. So the direct referral bonus of the startup package, whenever you invite people to join us, so if ever they will purchase a startup package, you will receive a direct referral cash commission of 100 pesos and a product, one bottle of our product amounting to 4,500. So it's up to you whether you are going to use or sell this product. Okay, so if I were you, if you are experiencing tight budget and you have this desire to experience our product, so might as well you use this product, no, the free product that you can get whenever you invite someone to join our business. So if ever you will sell that product, so all in all, you will receive a total of 4,600 pesos if ever you decide to sell that free bottle. Okay? The second direct referral commission for rookie is you will receive a 500 pesos worth of cash commission plus a bottle of our Sika Plus. So if you're going to sell that one, that's amounting all in all to 5,000 pesos. And another package, the elite package, you will receive a 1,000 pesos cash commission and a product worth of 18,000 pesos or equivalent to 4 bottles. So you have the prerogative now to sell the three bottles, and the other one you can actually use it for personal consumption. And of course, the VIP package, if ever you invite someone, then you will receive a total of you will receive a 2,000 pesos worth of cash commission and a product worth of 36,000 or equivalent to 8 bottles. So all in all, if you're going to sell all those 8 bottles plus the 2,000 cash, all in all, you will get 38,000 pesos. All right, that's for the direct referral commission. Second is for the sales match bonus. Okay, sales match. In the sales match bonus, you are actually encouraged to build 2 groups, one on the left and one on the right. So I know for sure you are already familiar with this type of marketing program, okay, or compensation plan. So if ever you invited someone or 2 of your invites purchase startup package, okay, so startup to startup, you will earn a sales match commission of 600 pesos. Rookie to rookie is 1,200. Elite to elite match is 3,000. And VIP to VIP match is 6,000 pesos. All right. So if ever there is a if ever there is a startup package in one side and on the other side is a VIP package, still the system will still count that one as a pair because our system reads the point value or the commissionable value, which is based on 50 CV. So if there is a VIP package on the other side, on the right side, and in the other side is a startup package, still it will still match the 50 CB. It will consume the CB of the 500, and the remaining 450 CB will be in a form of a waiting CV or commissionable value. All right. Then another thing is that we also have this power up bonus or the leadership override. Power up bonus is actually intended only for the rookie, elite, and the VIP packages. If you are a package belongs to the startup packages, don't you worry because you can actually start with this lowest package, the startup package. Then eventually you can actually upgrade this one to whatever package you wish to upgrade. No, but of course, you can only upgrade once. So if ever you've already earned enough, you can actually directly upgrade this one into the VIP package. Don't worry because our package has no expiration, no time limit, no time frame. You can upgrade it anytime you want. So what is this Power Up all about? Okay, Power Up will entitles you to earn commission or rebates from the total match sales commission of your downlines from your first up to the 10th level. If your account is rookie, okay, if your personal account is rookie, you are entitled to a 5% rebates from the sales match income of your first level or your first direct. So if ever your package is elite, then you are entitled to a total of 15% override from the first up to the 5th level. But advantageously, if your account is a VIP account, you are entitled to a 20% override from your first up to the 10th level. So example, if your first up to the 10th level, just for the sake of computation, if each of them earns about 100,000 sales match income every month, then if your account is a VIP account, you are entitled up to the 20%, meaning to say every month you will have the potential to earn 20,000 pesos per month, even if you haven't built a separate leg or a separate group to match this dominant leg. So even if you only have one leg, you could still earn because of this override commission known as the Power Up. So it's very advantageous if your account is the VIP because it will reach up to the 10th level. Right? So for the sake of computation, for better understanding, example, this is your network. This is you. You have Group A and Group B. Assuming that Group B did not work, Group A, C, and D are actually very, very, very passionate to do the business. If ever, for example, your downline A earns about 500,000 a month, your downline C and D earns about 200,000 each, no, a month, then if your account is, shall we say, it's an elite account. So for the first level, this is your A group, or I mean your A direct. You are entitled for a for a 5% rebates coming from the total income of A. So 5% of 500,000 is 25,000. And on your second level, you will be entitled for a 4% of 200,000, which is 8,000 each coming from C and D. So total income of 41,000 pesos per month, if that's per month. If it's per week, then you will also earn this one per week. All right, so that is the Power Up one leg structure. Okay, now we also have this what we call as the Pro Max sales match. What is this Pro Max sales match? Pro Max sales match is actually a separate binary dashboard for the company company-wide auto spill program. You have to remember this one, ladies and gentlemen, that Pro Max sales match is a separate genealogy, it's a separate organizational structure which is actually provided for you by the company. Meaning to say, you will not build this one. It's a built-in system wherein the moment you are part of the company, you are part of the system, the company will provide you a separate binary structure wherein the company will give you auto spill or spillovers for whoever joins every minute, every hour, every second, every day. Those people who joined will be automatically given to you or under the structure of the company. So like for example, this is the company structure. The main head is what we call as the company head. If ever this is you, someone joined from wherever in the Philippines or wherever it is part of the world, if ever every minute, every second, there are those people who join in our company, the system will automatically locate those people under the structure, and those who joined recently will be spillovered from left going to right. Okay, so you no longer you no longer know who these people are. You don't know who these people are, but basically these are members coming from the different places which were actually spilled over or given to you under the bottom structure of the company. So in this case, this is you. The company gave you two spillovers, one left and one right. This means that you are entitled for a sales match commission of 300 pesos. So you remember, Promax sales match left and right is equivalent to 300 pesos. So now, try to imagine this one. The structure is already in the perfect shape. The structure is already made. But you have to understand the fact that there are still people joining in the company. So those people that will join in the future will still be encoded, will be still given under the organization left to right. So this is how our system, this is how our algorithm will systematically spill over the people that joins recently from left to right. Thereby, you as an upline who decided to join earlier in this business will be entitled again to another sales match. The good thing with this system is that we have this what we call as the lock-in program. This means that if ever you failed to deliver the monthly maintenance or the monthly subscription or this monthly personal purchase of our product amounting to 3,500, if ever you failed to do it, to purchase that one on time, don't worry, because our system is already a built-in auto lock-in system, which means once you are encoded in that system, you will always be there even if you failed to purchase your monthly maintenance. So meaning to say, if you failed to purchase it this month, you could still avail all the income that is entitled to you on the next month. All you have to do is just to purchase your monthly maintenance product amounting to 3,500. Okay? So this is now what it looks like. So this is your own organization, your own binary structure, wherein A and B are those people whom you personally invited, whom you personally help to grow their own business, their own group. So this is technically your own group under you that you basically nurtured in terms of growing their own business. But in the Promax matrix, this is the Promax matrix structure, wherein you, as part of the company structure, you will be provided with spillovers that are actually not part of your own organization. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point. Okay, now, another thing is that we also have this what we call as the Promax pool share. Promax pool share is actually an idea that a certain percentage of the overall sales of the company will be allotted for the pool share. Every day, every month, in the dashboard, you will see this what we call as the prevailing value per share. Okay? Prevailing value per share on a layman's term simply means pot money. Why pot money? Because every product sold by the company, certain amount of that will be allocated as our prevailing value per share. So this means every day, time to time, our pot money is increasing for that particular month. While it is not yet distributed for that month, it will always increase. Now the question is that how can you avail the pool share for you to become a or for you to earn the dividends of that prevailing value per share for that particular month. All you have to do is to, first, you can actually sell Pro Pack packages, 5 Pro Pack packages. This per Pro Pack or maintenance pack is equivalent to 3,500. If you can actually sell 5 of Pro Pack products, you are entitled for actually 1 share of the prevailing value per share or the Promax pool share. Example, if the prevailing value per share for this month is 10,714 and you were able to successfully sold 5 Pro Pack products, then you are entitled to earn 10,000 pesos for this particular month because you are entitled for a 1 share. All right, so I hope you're getting me right now. Now, another thing is that this is advantageous to people who are actually good in direct selling. If you can actually sell at least 10 bottles of Sika Plus, per bottle is 3,150. This is an individual bottle. If you can sell 10 bottles, then you will actually be entitled for a 1 share. And if you're able to sold 15, then you are entitled for 2 shares, 20, 3 shares, 25, 4 shares, and 30 bottles, you are entitled for 5 shares. So meaning to say, if the prevailing value per share is 10,714, apart from earning money from your retail profit, you are also entitled for 5 shares times 10,000. This means that this particular month, you will receive a rebate of the pool share amounting to 53,000 pesos. Okay, that's your dividend earning. All right, so I hope you're getting me with the point, right? So that's Promax pool share. Next, Unilevel. In Unilevel, you are entitled, if you are a startup account, you are entitled a rebates up to 4th level. If you are rookie, 6th level. 8 levels for elite, and ultimately you are entitled up to the 10th level if your package is the VIP package. So if ever you invited 3 people, power of 3, these 3 invited 3 and 3 and 3. Okay, so if you're able to come up with a perfect structure like this, and every one of them, every one individual, every one member, we just have to purchase 1 Pro Pack product every month, which is amounting to 250 CV or PV. Okay, every 250 PV, okay, then multiplied by the number of members under your organization, you are entitled for a rebate. So our rebate is starts with the 25, 20, 15, 10, then 555% based on the Unilevel point value. So this means from the 1st up to the 10th level, all of these Unilevel points, you are entitled for a monthly rebate of 1.1 million pesos should you perfected this structure. Now, I know for sure there is no such thing as perfect binary structure. What we can do instead is, even if you can earn, even if this 1.1 million, even if it's only 50% hit rate, still that is 500,000 pesos. 25% hit rate, that's still 277. At 10% hit rate, that's still 110,000 pesos per month. Even as low as 5% hit rate, that's still a money of valuing to 55,000 pesos. Okay, so not bad. Even if you only got the hit rate of 5%, it's still 50,000. That's for Unilevel. Then we also have this what we call as the ranking position. Our ranking position is accumulative in nature. No back to zero rule. All you have to do is you have to strive to come up or to accumulate a total of 5,000 sales match volume. This means that if you're going to compute this one based on our 50 CV, this means that by accumulating at least 100 sales matches plus 50,000 Unilevel points. 50,000 Unilevel points is about 220 bottles of products. If you were able to successfully match 100 matches and your group were able to successfully sold accumulated of about 220 bottles of our product, then you as the upline will be awarded as a Pearl Executive. All right? So I hope you're getting me. Now, to rank advance, all you have to do is to help your team. If you have 4 members down the line, either of the group, maybe from the left or right, or maybe on the left alone or right alone, for as long as there are 4 members of your team who qualified to become Pearl Executive, then you will be ranked advanced to Emerald. And so on and so forth. Then you will be advanced to Sapphire, to Ruby, to Diamond, and ultimately to the Global Director. Now the question is that, what's in it for you? What's going to be your benefit should you ever rank advanced to this position? So we have this reward lifestyle. Should you hit the Pearl Executive, you will be entitled for a stay for 2 at Okada Hotel. All right? Or maybe you could hit the Emerald Executive. You will have a stay for 2 at Boracay. Then you will have a 10,000 pocket money. Then for Sapphire Executive, that's for Singapore trip with 20,000 pocket money. For Ruby Executive, that's an Asian cruise, not for 2 but for 3 with 30,000 pocket money. And for the Diamond Director, okay, that's a Hawaiian cruise with a 50,000 pocket money. And of course, ultimately, those who can actually achieve the Global Director will be receiving a brand new fully paid Toyota Vios. All right, so that's Toyota Vios. You will receive this one if ever you hit the Global Director. Now, there's more. Why? Because, ladies and gentlemen, apart from receiving all of this reward lifestyle, apart from this one, you will also climb up to the stage and you will also receive your company share known as the global share. How? Okay. By rank advancing your position, you have to remember that whenever you rank advance, you are entitled to receive a dividend shares depending to your position of the total, okay, of the total pro-pack or product sold by the company. Why? Because you have to remember that every product or pro-pack sold, 150 pesos of that will be allocated for our pot money, specifically for global share. All right? So example, for this particular year, example, the company were able to successfully sold 20,000 bottles of Sika Plus or Pro-Pack, Sika Plus. If the company were able to successfully sold 20,000 bottles, you multiply that one to 150 pesos allocation, then this year's total Pro-Pack share is amounted to 3 million pesos. This means that if you're able to get rank advance into the Pearl Executive, aside from getting the reward lifestyle of staying in the Okada Hotel, you are also entitled to receive 5% of the 3 million, which is 150,000. Or, if you rank advance to Global Director, aside from your brand new Toyota Vios, you are also entitled for a 30% share of the 3 million, which is 900,000 pesos. So that is the mechanism or the mechanics of our global share. So this means time on time, year on year, as long as there are no one is getting yet into this position, this means that our global share will be accumulated and accumulated until such time someone who will be lucky enough to rank advance and get this share. So if ever 2 of you got the Pearl Executive, this means the 2 of you will share equally the 150,000 global share. So, but of course, if you are the only one who got first the global director, then you will be the only one entitled for the 900,000 pesos. All right, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's basically our compensation plan. I hope you got my presentation. To our foreign visitor and guest, I hope you got my presentation. Should you have further questions and clarifications, I just want to encourage you all to ask those people who invited you so that they can actually spend time, more time to you to explain more about our product and as well as our compensation plan. All right, so if ever you got my presentations right, and if you're satisfied with the presentation, can you please type number 1 so that we can wrap up and we can actually finish the presentations earlier so that I cannot take much of your time. So number 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so thank you very much to our first timers, to our grand uplines. Thank you so much for your time, dedication, and for invitations of our invites. So again, if you have further questions, just tap the people who invited you, ask them questions, and they are happy to assist you all. So with that, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I am actually inviting you, ladies and gentlemen, for further product knowledge. We have a presentation this coming Wednesday. I hope you can invite your prospects who are here in this loop right now who wish to know more deeper about the product. Please attend this coming Wednesday. All right, so every Wednesday is our product presentation day, in-depth presentation. So with that, guys, thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon, face to face. We
Invite mo
have
rin sa ano, coach, invite mo rin sila sa roadshow natin
yes,
this
yes.
coming August 2.
We have actually our roadshow, Mindanao roadshow this coming August 2. We will be in Surigao, August 2. August 3 is in Carrascal. August 4 is Bislig, if I'm not mistaken. August 5 is in Tagum City. August 6, we have a presentation in Regency Hotel in Davao. Then on the 7th, we will be in Jensan. And on the 8th day, we will be in Cagayan de Oro City. All right? Am I correct with my dates? We will just actually post this one in your respective group chats. So if ever you have invites there, kindly inform us so that we can assist your invites if ever you cannot attend physically in that presentation. So again, thank you so much, everyone, and see you this Wednesday. God bless, good evening, and to God be the glory. Thank you so much. See you all this Wednesday.